Good morning, all. My name is Shalini, Assistant Professor, CSE Department. Today's topic is errors in programming, syntax, and logical errors. Error. Error is a situation that causes a program not to run or halt its execution or give abnormal output. Error is an illegal operation performed by the user which results in abnormal working of the program. Errors in programming. Programming errors often remain undetected until the program is compiled or executed. Thus, errors should be removed before compiling and executing. Types of errors in C. We are having different types of errors in programming: syntax errors, logical errors, runtime errors, linker errors, and semantic errors. Let's look into these errors. Syntax errors. Errors that occur when you violate the rules of writing C or C++ syntax are known as syntax errors. This compiler error indicates something that must be fixed before the code can be compiled. All these errors are detected by compiler and thus are known as compile time errors. Most frequent syntax errors are missing parentheses, printing the value of variable without declaring it. Examples: missing semicolon like this. See program to illustrate syntax errors. Okay, if you want to print, if you want to print the x and y, so here the printf, for printf you have missed the semicolon, but you don't know that you have missed the semicolon, so it leads to what? The missing semicolon, right? So int x is equals to 10, int y is equals to 15, printf percentile d x comma y. So you are not closing the printf with using semicolon, it leads to missing semicolon. So it is nothing but syntax error. Here, coming to the next example, int main of void while cannot contain dot as an argument. So by mistake you have given while of dot, right? If you don't mention anything, then it will be getting executed, but you have mentioned it as dot and you have printed as hello, return 0, then error is expected expression before dot token. So in the given example, the syntax of while loop is incorrect. This causes a syntax error. Let's see what are runtime errors. Errors which occur during program execution after successful compilation are known as runtime errors. One of the most common runtime error is division by zero, also known as division error. These types of error are hard to find as the compiler does not point to the line at which the error occurs. For more understanding, run the example given below. See here, void main hash include stdio.h void main int n equals to 9 and division is equals to 0. Number is divided by 0, so this program abnormally terminates. Wrong logic. You cannot divide number with the 0 because it is wrong. So printf result is equals to percentile d. You are printing that value called division. So it throws an error called division by zero error. So we call it as what? A runtime error. You don't know while compiling, while running your program, you will be seeing this error. So it is nothing but your runtime errors. Then what do you mean by this linker errors? This error occurs when after compilation we link the different object files with main object using Ctrl F9 key or run. These are errors generated when the executable of the program cannot be generated. Right? These are errors generated when the executable of the program cannot be generated. This may be due to wrong function prototyping, incorrect header files. One of the most common linker error is main instead of main, means you will be using capital M instead of main. So it is the main linker error. So see here, hash include stdio.h void you have given by mistake capital M instead of small m as your main function. So int a equals to 10 and you are printing the value a. So it throws an error like undefined reference to main. So it leads to what? A linker error because it is your function. So without that function, means without the proper function name, you cannot execute the program properly. So it leads to what? A linker error. Then what do you mean by this logical errors? On compilation and execution of a program, desired output is not obtained when certain input values are given. These types of errors which provide incorrect output but appears to be error-free are called logical errors. These are one of the most common errors done by beginners of programming. These errors slowly depend on the logical thinking of the programmer and are easy to detect if we follow the line of execution and determine the program takes that path of execution. So all these comes under determine why the program takes that path of execution, right? See here, int main, int I is equals to 0, you have given for loop semicolon. So I equals to 0, I less than 3 and I plus plus, your loop is ending here. It is nothing but logical error, a semicolon after loop. Okay. So printf, you are printing what loop and you are saying continue. If I equals to 0, 0 less than 3 true, then you need to print loop, right? Then again I gets incremented to 1, 1 less than 3 true, then you need to loop. Then again 2 less than 3 again true, then you need to loop. Then 4 less than 3 condition false, you will be coming out from the loop, get char and return 0. Then your output is what? Loop, because you are terminating it for the first time with using what? A semicolon. It is nothing but a logical error. A semicolon after loop. So your loop will be executed only one time, right? If it is true, you are saying continue, but you have given what? Semicolon. So it is also wrong. So it leads to what? A logical error. Then semantic errors. This error occurs when the statements written in the program are not meaningful to the compiler. Okay, let's see one example. Void main int a comma b comma c, and you are doing what? A plus b is equals to c. It is wrong. You should do what? C is equals to a plus b. So, and you're closing your main program. So it throws what? An error like L value required as left operand of assignment operator, because A plus B is equals to C is wrong. Okay. So L value required as left operand of assignment means here you need to write what? C is equals to A plus B should be returned. Right? So thank you.